it doesn't matter what room in the house, So, and that was the culture, because, I was brought up the old school, old Samoan way. Where, people don't understand the science behind Samoan discipline. Yeah, there's a science behind it. You see, not only is it physical, it's psychological. Because after they give you the physical, they'll give you a ball or something, then they ask you questions like, why you crying? And mess with your mind, And then you look at your mom like, are you serious? You look at your mom and you're like, I think I'm crying because the 2x4 hit my head over here. And I remember one time, I heard that, Palangis would discipline their children and I remember John's mom said to him one time, okay, that's it. Once Fafalifa goes back home, I want you to go to your room and no dinner for you tonight. And I thought, wow, that's Makwale Alofa. You see, Samoans, they would never send their children to go to sleep without having something to eat first. Even after a good hiding. Our parents will still say, yeah, Alofa, hey, pick up your teeth first and then you can go and finish up your dinner. Huh? This is the way that I was brought up, and I remember when going to school, my family used to tease me. Some of my cousins would say, "Hey, Mom, why can't you get me now?" Hey, you show me a failure. You may have a fire. I have for you. I've got a only large home. Some of my family say, "What do you do? Do you just go to school just to eat your lunch?" And my reply would always be, "No. I also go and eat my friend's lunch as well."